Hi everyone, today I will explain what is Zoom. What Zoom is. What is Zoom? Zoom is an app or a web page in which you can do meetings with other people in a virtual platform. For starting with, you need to look for Zoom in Google. So write Zoom and press enter. Then you will click in the first option. Once you have done that, you need to wait a moment and start to creating a new account, or even you can using your Google account or your Facebook account in order to access to Zoom. In my case, I select the second option using my Google account and I will click on my account in Zoom. Once I have done that, you will see different options like your profiles, let's say your name, your ID, your the email that you are using, and then you will see the meetings, the important part of this video. In this part you will see different options like schedule a new meeting, the meetings that you do before, and that's it. In this part we will create a new meeting. So let's click on schedule a new meeting and wait. Once you have done that, you will select the theme of the meeting. You will write a short description of the meeting, the date, the duration. Well, in this part it's important to take in mind that the duration of the meeting it's a maximum of 40 minutes per session, because in the basic Zoom that's the rule. Let's fulfill some others characteristics and then you will click on save. Let's wait a moment, and in this part you will start the session. So click on it and wait. For starting the session, it's important to click on Open Zoom in this square. Then two squares will open in this part of the screen. For doing that, it's important to click on this option, join with the computer audio, and click on it. In this part you will see the theme that you do before, the host of this session, so your name is here, and this is important. You will click on copy URL, and this is the link that you will send to the others in order to they can sing in this meeting. For this part you can invite others through Gmail, Yahoo, and other kind of email. You can click on copy URL. Also, you can share the screen that you are using in your computer. This is an awesome option that you can use in your meeting, like a board, like say something special, and so on. Another interesting option of this is that you can chat with others in a real time, like hi everyone, and send it. So in this part, every participant in the meeting can see that message, or even if you can select, you can upload different kind of files. Also, as an interesting option is to use the record option. In this part, you can record in your meeting in order to use it in a future, for academic purposes, for analyzing different things that happen in the session. and that's it. The use of this app is depending on what you want to use, like the job, like academic purposes. It's all up to you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.